In this video, I'm gonna let you know many tips about forex market. But if you're still new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And yo, what's going, traders? Welcome to my channel. So guys, today video guys, I want to show you guys how I was able guys to kill a UDCHF. As you can see guys, we're moving in a profit of, we already catch some pips. About, let me check how much pips did we catch. Was something about 81 pips. So guys, I want to show you guys how I was able to catch this trade, so that whatever you feel like you want to use price action, you can also do the same. But before I share any details with you guys, if you're not to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, you know what I'm saying, so that the video can be able to reach more people. And for those who wish to join the free Telegram group, the link is always on the description below. You can join the free Telegram group, and then once you decide to join the team, you're just gonna send me a message. Let me know like, oh Juba, I wanna join the team. Then you'll be able to join the team. So guys, this is how I was able to catch this trade. As you can see guys, the chart is very clear. So let me show you. First of all guys, the market has been going on downtrend, you know what I'm saying. It's been forming this kind of trend, as you can see. So if you can see guys, we've been having lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. All right, and this was our support, and we also got some resistance right here. We had some resistance right here, as you can see. This was our resistance, you know what I'm saying. So guys, this is very clear. As you can see, this is how the market is moving. This one was support, and this one was the resistance. So after that, after the market reached at this point right here, we had some double bottom right here. As you can see here, we have some double bottom right here. And then after you saw this double bottom, I told my team like, yo guys, stay ready, we're about to have some new signal, you know what I'm saying. And then after that, the market started giving us some, you know, some high, and then came back here. Once the market came back here, it give us some some retest right here, as you can see. After the retest, the market shoot up to this point right here. This was our first take profit right here. So also you can see that we have some trend line as well, you know what I'm saying. We have some trend line as well. As you can see, we had some trend line, and if you can see over here, we have some resistance right here. We have some resistance, you know what I'm saying, something like this. Yes sir, something like this, as you can see. I hope you guys can see here. So this one right here is our first touch. This one right here is our first touch, second touch, and 30 touch, you know what I'm saying. But at the same time we have you can see we also got double bottom right here. And also at the same time you can see that we got, let me just, because this one is no longer exists, this one is no longer exist, this one, let me just try to shift this one away. this one is no longer exists. In order for you guys to see it clear, let me just put it right here, and let me move this one so that you guys can have a clear picture. So after that, we catch this trade from here all the way. So we're willing to move all the way to this point over here, because you can see that the market is already changed the direction, you know what I'm saying? So we're willing to move all the way to upside over there. But so far, guys, you can see that we already hit the TP1 right here. We already hit the TP1. This one right here is a TP1. So right here we expecting I expect something like pullback maybe to this point here, in order for the market to keep going on uptrend. So I just gonna wait for the pullback, and then once I got a pullback, I'm gonna lock my profit right here and continue all the way to over here, because guys, it's not easy to find the trade like this, you know what I'm saying? So once you find a trade like this, don't mess it up, make sure you swing it. So this is how I was able to find it. I hope you learned something cool. Peace out.